Alright guys, just got 2 packages today, but before I get into that, I'll show the receipt for Justin and Estrada. I sent the package out today. You're beginning Big Show in the older blue money in the briefcase. There you go, I sent. Doesn't show when you're gonna get it, but if I had to guess, I would say Monday or Tuesday. And now this is from Taker866101. There, didn't blotch your name this time. But yeah, let me get this open. Very excited. Oh yeah. Very happy. These. Here we got the Minister Boy Master. I don't know how to pronounce her name either. Faora. But yeah. This is like Wave 2, which I have not got into my Walmart at all, or Target. This got Wave 1, which is a bunch of Superman, whatever. Haven't seen these yet. And you see right here, got Jor-El up there, Superman right there, and Wave 1 General side. So yeah. And then here's Armored General side, which looks amazing. Can't wait to get these open up. Can't wait for the movie. Comes out Friday. Very excited. So yeah, thank you again to Taker866101. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.